Hi, I'm Joel Phillip Daniel. I completed my B Mechanical degree from St. Joseph's College of Engineering in the year 2022. So, after my final semester examinations, while I was waiting for my company's onboarding, I thought of learning new design software, which will be very helpful for my career. So, through internet and also through my friends who were learning their design software in other branches in Chennai, I came to know about CAD Centre Anna Nagar. So when I visited them, I saw the infrastructure and the labs and the classroom facilities of the center were very remarkable, and also the faculty staffs were very kind and also very highly knowledgeable. So my faculty sir was Mughal sir, so he trains me both CAD as well as CREO software. So there will be both theory and practical session. You may ask why a theory class in design software, but this theory class will be really helpful for clearing our interviews. And there's also plenty of placement opportunities provided by them. So for learning new software, I would really suggest CAD Center for the best quality and service in learning.